Hello and welcome back to Jacubication. This is the next video of Chapter 0 entitled Queues. A queue is an abstract data type that is a collection of items with two main operations, enqueue and dequeue. The queue ADT is the other side of the stack coin as it works as FIFO, or first in, first out, instead of the stack's LIFO. Enqueue adds an element to the back of the queue. Dequeue removes an element from the front of the queue. An example? Just a single example because the concept is important, but uses that come up are few and far between. The first unique letter in a word. Enqueue every letter. If the queue only has 0 or 1 letters, add the next letter. If the two letters in the queue are equal, dequeue. Else, the answer is what you dequeue. Animation 1 for the word ball. B. There's only one in there, add another one. A. They're not equal. dequeue. B's your answer. Now on aaron. Add A. Only one in there. Add another A. They're equal. dequeue both of them. Add R. There's only one in there. Add O. dequeue. R is your answer. In the next video, I'll cover maps. Ciao.